Hurricanes are getting bigger, stronger, and more destructive. And our most useful tool for keeping people safe is accurate forecasting. And the best way to understand a hurricane is arguably by flying a plane directly through it. Meet the hurricane hunters. Their job is to collect as much data as possible from inside hurricanes. And what surprised me the most is how normal their planes are.
So what's neat about our planes is that they're not especially, retrofitted. We don't have armor on the plane. It's more about situational awareness while we're flying.
The eye wall is the most intense part of the storm.
It is.
So I'm sure it has to be crazy in here.
Think of your worst commercial flight and probably add that times 10.
The real-time, high-resolution data gathered directly from the storm's core improves forecasts and helps us predict storm intensity and path with greater accuracy. Check out more of my time with the Hurricane Hunters on Weathered Earth's Extremes.